In today's video, I'm going to teach you essential PowerPoint shortcuts for faster presentations. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation so you can follow along in real time. Everything we'll cover uses the Control key on a Windows keyboard and focuses on the shortcuts that make the biggest difference to your daily workflow. Let's begin with creating something new. Press Ctrl+N to open a brand new presentation. This instantly launches a blank deck in a separate window, which is perfect when you need a fresh start for a new idea without losing your place in the current file. Next, you'll add content quickly with Ctrl+M. This creates a new slide right after the one you've selected. By default, PowerPoint uses your theme's standard layout, so you can keep your momentum while drafting. If you need a different layout afterward, you can always change it from the ribbon, but the shortcut gets the slide inserted immediately so you don't break your flow. Now for the essentials, you'll use constantly: copying and pasting. Select any text box, shape, image, or even a slide thumbnail, then press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. This works across your current presentation, between slides, or even into another presentation window. It's especially handy for reusing consistent elements like logos, headers, or diagram components that you want to keep uniform. When something doesn't look right, Ctrl+Z is your best friend. Undo reverses your last action instantly, whether you added a slide, moved an image, or changed formatting. Knowing you can quickly step back gives you the freedom to experiment without worry. When you're ready to see how your work looks full screen, press F5 to start the slideshow from the very beginning. This is perfect for rehearsing end-to-end and spotting transitions or pacing issues. If you only want to preview a section, use Shift+F5 to start the slideshow from the current slide you're on. That way, you can test a specific animation, layout, or chart without jumping through the entire deck. Finally, let's keep your design consistent with formatting shortcuts. Select an object or text that already looks the way you want, then press Ctrl+Shift+C to copy its formatting. Next, select the target object or text and press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste that formatting. This is a keyboard-driven version of Format Painter, and it's fantastic for enforcing a clean, unified style across multiple elements quickly. Practice these shortcuts a few times as you build your presentation. With repetition, they become second nature and dramatically speed up your workflow while keeping your slides consistent and professional.